Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly transformative, how certain foods can actually help heal and regenerate your body cells. If you're curious about boosting your body's natural repair system and want to harness the power of nutrition, then stay tuned. In this video, we'll explore key nutrients that support cellular regeneration, recommend some powerhouse foods, and even share detailed preparation tips and recipes you can try at home. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a quick look at how our cells work and why regeneration is so important. Our body is a constant work in progress. Cells are always dying and being replaced. To keep our system running smoothly, it's crucial that new cells are not only produced but also fully healed and functional. That's where nutrition plays a pivotal role. There are several key nutrients that are essential for cellular regeneration. 1. Antioxidants. These are compounds that help neutralize free radicals that can damage our cells. Think vitamins C and E, polyphenols, and beta-carotene. Foods rich in antioxidants include berries, leafy greens, and nuts. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish, chia seeds, and flax seeds, these are essential for cell membrane repair and reduce inflammation. 3. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein. They're necessary for repairing tissues and regenerating cells. Good sources include lean meats, legumes, and dairy. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A, D, and the B complex, along with minerals like zinc and magnesium, help with cell growth, DNA repair, and enzyme functions. 5. Fiber. While not directly involved in cell regeneration, fiber keeps your gut healthy, ensuring that all these vital nutrients are well absorbed. Let's explore some recommended foods that pack a nutritional punch. Let's break down some powerhouse foods that support cellular regeneration. 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, acai. Why? Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C, they help neutralize free radicals. Effects: improved brain health and reduced oxidative stress. Tip: consider adding them to a smoothie or oatmeal for breakfast. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Why? High in vitamins A, C, and K, plus folate and fiber. Effects: supports DNA repair and encourages healthy cell division. Tip: make a green smoothie or salad or sauté lightly with garlic and olive oil. 3. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Why? Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality proteins. Effects: reduces inflammation and repairs cell membranes. Tip: try weekly grilled salmon with a squeeze of lemon and herbs. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, flax seeds. Why? Great sources of healthy fats, proteins, and minerals like magnesium. Effects: support cell repair and combat inflammation. Tip: ideal as a topping for yogurt or salads, or enjoy a handful as a snack. 5. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower. Why? Packed with vitamins, fiber, and bioactive compounds like sulforaphane. Effects: enhance detoxification processes and balance cellular growth. Tip: roast these vegetables with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of salt for a delicious side dish. 6. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans. Why? Rich in amino acids, fiber, and essential minerals. Effects: provide the building blocks for cell repair and help maintain steady energy levels. Tip: a hearty stew or salad with beans is both filling and nutritious. Each of these foods has a role in supporting your body's natural healing process, and regularly including them in your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in your overall health and vitality. Now that we've covered the nutrient powerhouses, let's talk about preparation. How can we get the most out of these foods? Today, I'm going to share 2 simple recipes designed to optimize nutrient availability while keeping the dishes delicious. Recipe 1. Antioxidant berry and green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, a handful of spinach or kale, 1 banana for creaminess and natural sweetness, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or your favorite nut milk. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a high-speed blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Enjoy immediately to get the maximum benefit from the antioxidants and omega-3s. Why it works. The blending process helps break down the cell walls of berries and greens, enabling your body to absorb more vitamins and antioxidants quickly. Plus, the fiber in the ingredients aids in digestion. Recipe 2. Omega-3. Rich grilled salmon with roasted cruciferous vegetables. Ingredients for salmon: 1 salmon fillet, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and fresh dill. Ingredients for vegetables: a mix of broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower, olive oil, garlic, sea salt, and black pepper. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the vegetables. Cut them into even pieces. Drizzle with olive oil and garlic, then season with salt and pepper. Spread evenly on a baking sheet and roast for 20-25 minutes until tender and slightly crispy on the edges. 3. For the salmon, brush your salmon fillet with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice, and sprinkle with fresh dill. 4. Grill the salmon over medium-high heat for about 3-4 minutes on each side, or until cooked to your desired doneness. 5. Serve together and enjoy a balanced meal that helps reduce inflammation and supports cellular regeneration. These recipes are designed to make nutrient absorption easier on your body while keeping you full and satisfied. They're perfect for anyone looking for a delicious way to boost health through food. Let's take a moment to understand the science behind these food choices. Antioxidants in berries and greens combat oxidative stress, a process that damages our cells over time. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish and seeds help maintain the integrity of cell membranes, ensuring cells communicate and function properly. In addition, the amino acids from proteins are essential for repairing damaged tissues, while fiber from fruits, vegetables, and legumes strengthens our digestive system to better absorb these critical nutrients. This synergy of nutrients is key to not just healing, but also to optimizing your body's natural regenerative functions. When your cells are well nourished, you feel more energetic, your skin glows, and your overall well-being improves. To sum it up, choosing the right foods and preparing them well can have a profound impact on your body's ability to repair and regenerate itself. Whether it's through antioxidant-rich berries or omega-3-packed salmon, these nutrient-dense foods are powerful allies in your wellness journey. If you enjoyed this video and found these recipes helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite regenerative food or recipe. Remember to share the video with a friend who might need this nutritional boost. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay nourished and keep shining from the inside out.